Hello, my name's Adrian Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV, and today I'm going to take you around Casa Cristal, a beautiful 3-bed Algaba villa here on our Valle Golf Resort. Well, as you walk into the villa, you are greeted with this beautiful living room with wide open windows, hence the name Casa Cristal. You've got a beautiful dining table, enough to fit 6 people, and you are led to your outside living area. And here is your outside living space. Now we call it your outside living space because you've got glass curtains surrounding the outside area, which can be enclosed for a beautiful winter living room. You've also got a dining area fit enough for 12 people, an outside lounge area which can connect to this. You've got your own private pool, enough sunbeds for the whole family, and views that you can only dream about. And here is your master bedroom. You've got a dual sink ensuite bathroom, a walk-in wardrobe, and when you walk out of your patio doors, you've got views like this. Well, that's it from me here at Casa Cristal, but if you want any more information about this property or any other property that we have on our website, make sure you check it out at www.keystyleproperties.com, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest videos. Well, my name's Adrian Cockings. I'll see you next time.